In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the cache of your Siteground WordPress website. Clearing the cache can be an essential step in maintaining your site's performance and ensuring that visitors are seeing the most up-to-date content. Let's dive right in and walk through these steps to efficiently clear your cache in just 5 minutes. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Siteground's website. Siteground is known for its robust hosting services, especially tailored for WordPress users, providing a seamless platform to manage your website. Once you're on the Siteground homepage, the next step is to log into your account. You can do this by clicking on the login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the site. Enter your credentials and you'll be directed to your Siteground account dashboard. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be able to access your Siteground account. Navigate to the My Siteground account section, where you can see a list of all your hosted websites. Here, the focus will be on selecting the specific site whose cache you want to clear. Once you've identified the correct website, look for the Site Tools button. This will take you to the Site Tools dashboard, a centralized hub for managing various aspects of your website. Inside the Site Tools area, there's a diverse array of options at your disposal. Our focus will be on optimizing your site's speed, so go ahead and click on the Speed tab. The speed section on Siteground's interface is designed to help you control various speed boosting features, allowing for a more efficient website performance. Next, from the speed menu, find and select the caching option. Caching is crucial in delivering faster loading pages to your visitors by storing copies of your site's data temporarily. Within the caching section, you want to look for the dynamic cache option. Dynamic caching is one of the more advanced yet user-friendly features that Siteground offers, taking your website's performance up a notch by dynamically serving cached content to users. In the caching interface, you'll find controls to manage your cache settings. Click on Dynamic Cache to view its dashboard. Here you will find the option to clear your cache. Clearing the cache ensures that all your site's pages, especially dynamic content, are refreshed and updated, allowing visitors to experience your site as intended without encountering stale content or outdated information. And that's it, you have successfully cleared the cache for your WordPress website hosted on Siteground. Regularly clearing your cache can help in resolving various site issues, and is a good practice to implement, especially after major updates or changes to your content. Keep this process in mind as a useful maintenance step in keeping your site running smoothly. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.